Hello everyone and welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a fantastic piece of exercise equipment that's making waves in the fitness world. The Core Prodigy Python Power Twister Bar. If you're looking to level up your upper body workout routine, this might just be the best spring exercise tool on the market right now. The Python Power Twister Bar from Core Prodigy isn't your ordinary workout gear. It's designed to target multiple upper body muscle groups, including the chest, shoulders, forearms, and biceps, all while providing a range of resistance levels to suit different fitness levels. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned gym-goer, this tool offers versatility and effectiveness. It comes in tension levels ranging from 40 to 100 pounds, allowing you to progress as your strength improves. With its long handle design, you can adjust your grip for varying levels of difficulty, from wide to narrow grips. Made from high-quality aluminum with comfortable rubber grips, ensuring durability and a solid feel during workouts. It keeps muscles under constant tension, perfect for isometric and isotonic strength training. While we don't focus on customer reviews, it's worth noting that the Python Power Twister has received high praise for its effectiveness and build quality. Many users have reported noticeable improvements in their strength and muscle tone. Comparing it with similar tools on the market, the Python Power Twister stands out due to its durable build, adjustable resistance levels, and ergonomic design, making it suitable for a wide range of fitness goals. To wrap things up, if you're serious about enhancing your upper body strength and looking for a versatile, compact tool to add to your fitness routine, the Core Prodigy Python Power Twister Bar is definitely worth considering. It's affordable, durable, and designed to deliver results. If you're interested in learning more or trying out the Python Power Twister for yourself, check out the link in the description below. And don't forget to subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth reviews on the latest fitness and wellness products. Thanks for watching.